Water table. The water table rises during heavy rainfall.
地下水位。
Stream. The stream flowed swiftly down the mountain.
水流。
Geothermal. Geothermal energy is used to generate electricity.
地热的。
Channel. The river carved a deep channel.
渠道。
Plate. Tectonic plates are constantly moving.
板块。
Material. The building material was strong and durable.
材料。
Groundwater. Farmers rely on groundwater for irrigation.
地下水。
Region. This region is known for its rich biodiversity.
地区。
Glaciers. Glaciers are melting due to climate change.
冰川。
Deposit. The river deposit created a new landform.
沉淀、沉积物。
Form. The clouds began to form in the sky.
形成。
Layer. There are multiple layers of rock in the cliff.
层。
Glacial. Glacial periods occur during ice ages.
冰河的。
Volcanic. Volcanic eruptions can be dangerous.
火山。
Flow. The flow of the river was strong after the storm.
水流。
Strata. The geologists studied the ancient strata.
地层。
Oxygen. Oxygen makes up about 21% of Earth's atmosphere.
氧。
Mediterranean. The Mediterranean Sea is known for its warm climate.
地中海。
Reservoir. The reservoir supplies water to the city.
水库。
Meters. The tower stands 100 meters tall.
米。公尺。
Aquifer. Aquifers provide a source of fresh water.
含水层。
Geologic. Geologic time spans billions of years.
地质学。
Contain. This bottle contains water.
包含。
Continents. There are 7 continents on Earth.
洲。大陆。
Ogallala. The Ogallala Aquifer is vital for U.S. agriculture.
奥加拉拉，美国内布拉斯加州城市。
Underground. The underground tunnel was long and dark.
地下的。
Delta. The Nile Delta is one of the largest in the world.
三角洲。
Grains. Farmers harvested grains in the autumn.
谷物。
Drilling. They began drilling for oil in the desert.
钻孔。
Drift. The boat began to drift downstream.
漂移。
Smith. The blacksmith forged a new tool.
金属品工匠。
Residence. The residence was located in a quiet neighborhood.
住宅。
Geothermal energy. Many countries use geothermal energy for heating.
地热能。
Geological. Geological studies reveal Earth's history.
地质学。
Solid. Ice is the solid form of water.
固体。
Seafloor. Scientists explored the seafloor for new species.
海底。
Geologists. Geologists discovered new minerals.
地质学家。
Evaporation. Evaporation occurs more quickly in hot weather.
蒸发。
Residence time. The residence time of water in this reservoir is long.
水何等的停留时间。
Particles. Particles of dust filled the room.
粒子。
Irrigation. The farmer used irrigation to water the crops.
灌溉。
Beneath. The treasure was buried beneath the ground.
下面。
Porosity. The porosity of the rock allowed water to pass through.
多孔性，气孔率。
Permeability. The permeability of the soil affects water flow.
渗透性。
Pleistocene. The Pleistocene epoch saw the rise of many ice ages.
更新世。
Occur. An earthquake can occur without warning.
发生。
Flowing. The flowing river looked calm and peaceful.
流动。
Abundant. The region is abundant in natural resources.
丰富的。
Current. The current in the river was strong.
水流。
Pores. Water passed through the pores of the rock.
毛孔。
Wells. The villagers dug wells to find water.
井。
Source. The river is the source of the village's water.
资源。
Steam. Steam rose from the hot soup.
蒸汽。
Continental. Continental drift explains the movement of landmasses.
大陆的。
Gypsum. Gypsum is often used in making plaster.
石膏粉。
Mantle. The mantle is made of semi-solid rock.
地函。
Downstream. The boat drifted downstream.
下游的。
Canal. The canal connects two major rivers.
运河。
Residence time. The residence time of groundwater varies.
停留时间。
Particles. Particles of sand covered the beach.
粒子。
Irrigation. Farmers rely on irrigation for crops.
灌溉。
Glaciation. The region has experienced periods of glaciation.
冰川化
Pebbles. The beach was covered with pebbles.
鹅卵石
Buried. The treasure was buried deep beneath the earth.
埋葬
Volume. The volume of water in the tank increased.
分量
Plains. The plains stretched for miles.
平原
Dominated. The economy is dominated by large corporations.
占主导地位的
Pumped. The water was pumped out of the basement.
抽出
Braided. The braided river flowed through the valley.
交织的
Crystalline. The crystalline rocks glittered in the sunlight.
结晶的
Drain. The workers had to drain the flooded basement.
排水
Drilled. The workers drilled into the rock to find water.
钻孔的
Accumulations. The accumulations of snow blocked the road.
积累
Offshore. Offshore drilling is common in the oil industry.
离岸的
Quartz. Quartz is commonly used in making glass.
石英
Cambrian. The Cambrian period saw the rapid development of life forms.
寒武纪
Basin. The Amazon basin is home to vast rainforests.
盆地
Snowfall. The heavy snowfall covered the town overnight.
降雪
Gravel. The driveway was covered with gravel.
碎石
Saturated. The soil became saturated after the rain.
饱和的
Dissolved. The sugar dissolved in the hot water.
溶解
Shells. The beach was littered with shells.
河
Seeps. Water seeps through the soil into underground reservoirs.
渗漏
Velocity. The velocity of the river increases after heavy rain.
速度
Alluvials. Alluvials often form fertile plains along rivers.
冲击物
Crystals. The cave walls were lined with crystals.
水晶
Floodplain. The floodplain was rich in nutrients.
冲击平原
Meltwater. The river swells with meltwater in spring.
溶水
Polar. Polar bears live in the Arctic region.
极地
Antarctica. Scientists conduct research in Antarctica.
南极洲
Rapidly. The glacier is melting rapidly due to global warming.
迅速的
Moraines. Moraines are often found near retreating glaciers.
冰器
Relatively. This region is relatively dry compared to others.
相对
Tectonics. Plate tectonics explains earthquakes and volcanoes.
构造学
Tension. The tension in the rope increased as more weight was added.
张力
Isotope. Scientists use isotopes to study ancient climates.
同位素
Proportion. The proportion of salt in the water was low.
比例
Seepage. Seepage from the reservoir caused damage to nearby structures.
渗漏
Semi-arid. Semi-arid regions often experience droughts.
半干旱
Boundary. The boundary between the countries was clearly marked.
边界
Climatic. Climatic changes are affecting ecosystems worldwide.
气候上的
Plumes. Plumes of smoke rose from the volcano.
羽状
Formation. The formation of mountains took millions of years.
形成
Vadose. Vadose water flows through the soil before reaching groundwater.
渗流
Edges. The edges of the cliff were sharp and dangerous.
边缘
Sorting. Sorting the samples took several hours.
分类
Faults. Faults in the Earth's crust cause earthquakes.
断层
Freshwater. The lake is a source of fresh water.
淡水
Coal. Coal mining was once a major industry.
煤炭
Boulders. Boulders lined the mountain trail.
巨石
Meteoric. Meteoric showers lit up the night sky.
流星的
Trail. We followed the hiking trail up the mountain.
小径
Calcium. Milk is a good source of calcium.
钙